Hello friends, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Sirajul Afazi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about tips of writing of scientific paper of chemistry. So friends, writing is the art. Beyond all the standard grammar and syntax involved in writing in English, there are certain additional conventions to follow when preparing a scientific manuscript. The standard for writing in your field will make editors and reviewers more confident in your research. So it is worth the effort to pay attention to the title details. Here are some specific tips for authors creating manuscripts in the field of organic and medicinal chemistry. So friends, experimental part. There are certain formats for the experimental design sections and a specific way to report expected data. Please be sure to read the journal guidelines and look over other papers in the target journals to ensure that you are using proper format. When referring to amounts of reagents and chemicals used in reactions, it is best to directly state the amount, volume or mass of the compound, followed by the number of moles and equivalents in parentheses. For example, 2.4 gram of sodium hydride, 0.1 mole and 1.1 equivalent. For solvent, it is appropriate to just state the volume. For example, 25 ml of ethyl acetate. Now abbreviations. Friends, it is not always necessary to define common abbreviation in chemistry paper. Generally, each journal has a list of standard abbreviations for common chemicals and analysis. Please check the journal guidelines to see what needs to be defined in the paper. Referring to compounds within a paper, in many chemistry journals, the compounds in the reaction schemes are given bold number for reference. For example, you see here, when using these numbers in the text, use bold type. When defining a compound number using a proper name, the number should be in parentheses behind the name. However, when the proper name is not used, the number should not be in parentheses. In addition, it is best to use a general descriptor with the number. If the proper name is not used, in this case the use of an article, a and an, the and the, is not usually necessary. For example, 2-propanol was oxidized to acetone, or alcohol 1 was oxidized to ketone 2. But do not state alcohol 1 was oxidized to ketone or 2-propanol 1 was oxidized to acetone. Try not to use the number alone. Always have a noun descriptor if possible. Now friend, describing reactions. The term scheme is used to refer to sequence of reactions in a figure. The term equation is used for single reaction in a figure. Friend, our next point, capitalizations. If the name of a compound begins a sentence, the first letter of the compound name should be capitalized. Remember to ignore the italicized letter describing the structure of the molecule, such as R or S for stereochemistry, cis, trans, ortho, third, N, I, etc. describing conjugations, or N for substituents on nitrosamine. For example, third butanol was added to the mixture, or N,N-dimethylformamide was used as solvent. So friend, hope these informations will be helpful to you in writing your scientific paper. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.